19th of March 2020 will be written in golden letters in the history of Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory, because the government wide order number 23-JK within bracket LD of 20 constituted this commission by the name of Jammu and Kashmir Socially and Educationally Backward Classes Commission. The genesis of this commission is derived from the famous 9 judges constitutional judgment known as Indira Sahni case. I am giving you the particulars of this case in the written document which I am handing over to you. This commission has wide powers, and without any hesitation I can say that after the constitution of the Gajendra Gadkar Commission in 1968, this commission has wide powers to be adopted in considering the criteria which the representatives of the people of the J&K territory belonging to all segments of society present here, to include them in the category of socially and educationally backward classes. We have also the power of examining the current list of already declared socially and educationally backward classes for the inclusion or an exclusion. We can exclude also those people who has taken away the rights of the deserving people, as well as of the power of including those people who are more deserving and has been derived so far. And we have also the power under this commission for the inclusion of other socially and educationally backward classes in this category. The commission has also to categorize the socially and educationally backward classes and examine the safeguards that should be provided to ensure balance of orderly developments of all sections and classes of the Union Territory. The words all sections and classes of the Union Territory of J&K have great significance. Then the fourth parameter under which we have to act is to examine overall questions of providing reservation for recruitment to various posts, ensuring the efficiency in administration and minimum standards to be required for job requirements. Sixthly, we have to present a report to the government setting out the facts as would be found and make recommendations as are thought proper for categorization of socially and educationally backward classes, for providing reservation for them, and more importantly to other communities as well. Additional reference has also been made to this commission to examine Scheduled Caste Order of 1956 and Scheduled Tribes Order of 1989. Under the terms of this reference, suitable inclusion or exclusion or modification of the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes has to be considered in the report. Lastly, the Commission has been given the powers to give its opinion in any manner in the matter arising out of the aforesaid terms and references to the government. Friends, on 12th of January 2019, 103rd amendment was made in the Constitution of India, whereby Article 15 and 16 were amended, and economically weaker sections in respect of all the citizens of the state were provided who belong to weaker sections for reservation in addition to existing reservation, subject to the maximum of 10% of posts in each category, in this category. In other words, this 10% reservation for the deserving weaker sections belonging to all people of the J&K territory, belonging to all religions, will be given.
दो तीन चीजें मैं आपको इसके बारे में बता दूं। सर ने तो इसका एलैबोरेट मैंडेट फंक्शनिंग बता दी। इसमें दो चीजें हैं, एक तो ये कमीशन जम्मू एज वेल एज श्रीनगर दोनों जगह से काम करे। जैसे इस वक्त चेयरमैन साहब और मैं यहाँ पे मौजूद है, हमारे एक मेंबर जम्मू में, ठीक। सिमिलरली कभी दो मेंबर वहाँ रहेंगे और एक मेंबर यहाँ रहेगा, so that the offices of the commission are functional from both the places, Jammu as well as Srinagar. I am telling you this thing because you should tell people. It is not कि जम्मू का दफ्तर बंद हो जाएगा, ये खुलेगा, ये बंद हो जाएगा, वो खुलेगा. No, it will be functional at both places. Number one. Number two, जो आपका सवाल है किस तरह से फायदा होगा, इसमें हमारा कमीशन is open to all the representations, suggestions, complaints. Even people will come, depose, we will record their statements, we will cross-question them, we will put questions to them, and उसमें ये तरीका है कि कोई भी डेपुटेशन सोसाइटी की डिफरेंट आपको पता है यहाँ पे स्ट्रीम्स है, कोई आपका धोबी है, कारपेंटर है, माहीगीर है, ठीक है जी, डिफरेंट तबके हैं, वो आ सकते हैं, अपना आप रजिस्टर करा सकते हैं हमारे सेक्रेटरी साहब के पास। उसके बाद हम उनको यहाँ से फॉर्म देते हैं, इसमें एक स्टैंडर्ड कुछ क्वेश्चनियर बना हुआ है जो वो भर के लाते हैं। उसके बाद दे कम इन डिपोज, जहाँ पे हमें लगे कि हमें इनसे क्लेरिफिकेशन चाहिए, पूछना चाहिए, वो हम उनसे पूछते हैं। प्लस जो भी वो आर्ग्यू करेंगे इट शुड बी सपोर्टेड बाय सम एविडेंस डॉक्यूमेंट्स। वो सारा करने के बाद में द कमीशन इज सपोज्ड टू फर्स्ट गिव इट्स प्रिलिमिनरी रिपोर्ट टू द गवर्नमेंट, ठीक है, जो अगले 2-3 महीने में कमीशन दे देगी। उसके बाद बाकी प्रोसीडिंग्स चल रही है। सो उसमें हर कोई आके डिपोज कर सकता है, उसको हमारा काम है उनको सुनना, उनसे पूछना, और जिस तरह सर ने अपनी ब्रीफिंग में बताया, पूछने के बाद, देखने के बाद जुडिशली हम क्या कर सकते हैं, क्या रिकमेंड कर सकते हैं, इंक्लूजन रिकमेंड कर सकते हैं, एक्सक्लूजन रिकमेंड कर सकते हैं, वो फिर उस हिसाब से